Asus did a 160x. Solace did 138x. Virgin gave us over 130x. And Axelrod did 118x. There is no question that fair launches are going to be this bull run's biggest opportunity to turn $1,000 into $100,000. AI has been one of the hottest crypto narratives this bull run. And there's no question that Virtuals Protocol is the ecosystem that started it all. If you're new to the world of AI agents, an AI agent is a software system that uses artificial intelligence to complete tasks on behalf of the user. Some of the projects on their ecosystem have done 50, 100, 150x overnight. Today we're going to be doing an ecosystem update, and I'm going to be showing you exactly where I am putting my points. Welcome back to the Cash Lab, guys. I am Ray, and I have been in the crypto space since the 2017 bull run. And on this channel, we turn tech trends into profits. So let's get into it. So as of today, about 8 of the 40 projects that have successfully launched on the Virgin's Genesis Launchpad have done a 50x plus ROI. And Axelrod, Virgin, Solace, and Asus OS have done a 100x plus ROI. It's only been out a couple of weeks, guys. Bernie was a big one, 1,600% oversubscribed. Axelrod, 2,400% oversubscribed. GPT Wars, almost 800% oversubscribed. We've had some utility agents, some meme agents. Busy Agent was 1,300% oversubscribed. This is another one that was in the top 10 of the hackathon. Virgin's probably the most successful meme coin that launched, and the guy Vader that launched it is a big Virtuals maxi. So right now, this one's $25 million market cap at 2.5 cents. It's got all the way up to about a $35 million market cap at one point. Right now we have 2 that have gone live to see if they will pass or fail. Jarvis Agent is sitting at 37%. He's still got 12 hours left. And AI Cat is at about 1%, and she just went live. Both of these are in the InfoFi kind of an area. Jarvis is trying to be an all-in-one Virtuals DeFi dashboard, and AI Cat as well. API data-driven insights and information across chain. InfoFi has become a massive narrative. And a lot of these projects that are in the InfoFi related sector are passing. Asynchronous starts in 16 hours. Now this one is at the very top of my list. This is a decentralized multi-agent system for Web3 that autonomously manages DeFi workflows, research, and optimization. The big hot keywords here are that they are backed by NVIDIA Inception, Google startups. It also won the Arbitrum grant, and it's got partners Compass Labs, Allura, Router Protocol, and Alchemy. This is definitely going to be the next one that I actually allocate points to. I'm hoping this doesn't get too oversubscribed so that I can get a decent allocation. We've got a few other projects that people may be saving their points for working in our favor, which we'll go through in just a second. Here's their website, Meet Async, infrastructure layer for the agentic Web3 economy.
Our big vision here? It's simple but ambitious: to democratize cutting-edge AI and unlock potential everywhere. Now, enough talk about the why. Let me show you what you can expect. There you go.
And Vader Research gives a really good breakdown of the projects that he's looking at. He's also the founder of the Virgin token. We've got Genesis tier list for June week 1. So he doesn't think there's any tier 1 projects at this point. But first in the tier 2 sector, he's got Sia AI. This is basically a boyfriend companion app with 500,000 users and 1.5K paid users. So they do have a working product at this time. They make roughly $720 a year per paid user. Guy says he likes the team. The founder has a strong background. They are self-doxed. And he's been very transparent. Waiting to get more information. We'll also do a Spaces together, and I believe that Spaces is taking place today. Next, we've got Tweet Bounty. Now, this is the one that I've seen a lot of people talking about. A lot of people I know would put this in a tier 1 list. They were in the top 5 at the Virtuals Hackathon. Core members don't have much clout on X, which concerns me about their ability to cook on X. Since the project fully revolves around X and social media, I would also like to see them have a little bit of a better following. The problem they're trying to solve is like Kaito and Cookie 3, where users are incentivized to yap about other projects. Cookie's got the snaps, and Kaito's got the yaps. Waiting to get more information about the team, including their doxed LinkedIn profile. So at the time he was writing this, I don't believe they were fully doxed, but they may be at this point. The team have self-doxed themselves to me, and background looks okay, but the product sounds too jargonish. We might potentially have a spaces where they can dive deeper into their backgrounds and the problems that they're trying to solve. He's got ERM next, which is a gaming/metaverse AI agent. He does have a few issues with the project. One is that it costs a lot more to run a gaming AI agent as opposed to a DeFi one. The demand for the product isn't there. He said they are fully doxed and fully committed, and they've been grinding in crypto Twitter. Next, we've got PulseBot. PulseBot AI is your crypto native shopping assistant. Waiting to get more information from the team. Parent company's X account is followed by a few chads. E-commerce typically doesn't have any intersection with crypto. I also agree, there hasn't been a huge use case which kind of combines e-commerce with crypto yet, but we'll see. Mosaic, MCP native agent, turns Twitter into your online wallet. Create, swap, and send tokens. Tilting more towards tier 4, waiting to get more information on the team. They have self-declared they will airdrop 1% to both Vader and Virgin stakers as well. Next, he's got LIB, Liberia. Liberia is an AI-powered GambleFi revolution. Real users, real trust, real numbers. Tilting more towards tier 4, waiting to get more information from the team. So there isn't much about that project yet. Here's his tier 4 list. We've got Jarvis, AI Cat, TIP, V11N, OX Meta, and VChat. There's not much on these. He basically just said this is just a preliminary analysis. They may be downgraded or upgraded depending on what information comes forth as the project gets closer to launch. And 11 hours ago, he downgraded Bounty to tier 4. Please wait for an announcement from the Virtuals team. Interesting. And 4 hours ago, he updated Mosaic to tier 4 as well. Too good to be true. A LinkedIn account with one mutual friend and a fake number. He said avoid Mosaic at all costs. There you go, guys. It's a good thing we've got these updates. And if you've never connected to Whale Intel, they give you a 24-hour free trial of their product. And if you're trying to grind in the virtual ecosystem, this is a must-have. Normally, you either have to hold 100,000 Wint or stake 50,000 Wint. It shows you a list of all the projects that have succeeded, what their ATH ROI is, all-time high, 160x for Basis, Solace 143, 118 for Axelrod, and where they're currently at right now. How many holders, how many people participated in the launch. It's a really thorough dashboard for Virtuals. And there's a few promising projects that I see coming down the pike, but as of right now, those are the ones that we're going to focus on. I will see you guys in the trenches. This isn't just another points game. It's the start of an AI agent era, and your wallet is your weapon. Play early, be smart, and I'll see you on a leaderboard, guys. Thanks for watching.